Welcome to the SelectUSA Summit virtual platform. Upon login, look for the SelectUSA Tech pull-up banner in the middle. Type DewTouch in the search bar and you'll find the Fleetnetics icon. Click on it and you will be redirected to the Fleetnetics page. You may read through a brief description of what we do. And if you would like to discuss possible business opportunities with DewTouch, you can chat with our Business Development Officer, DewTouch. You can download our 3-page brochure or watch the embedded in-depth video about the Fleetnetics system and its integrations that will allow you to operate your garage on the cloud more effectively. You may also access the links to our social media accounts and our official website at www.fleetnetics.com. See you again on the 4th day of the virtual summit, and don't forget to join us on Twitter. Follow us at DewTouch and use #SelectUSA Summit.